Hello students, welcome to class 8. I am Simi Narula and I'll teach you SST. So let us start with the chapter 2 of history, that is the establishment of the company rule in India. In this chapter we'll study that how during the period of 16th to 18th century some of the trading companies from Europe came to India to do trade, and they were rivals of each other, and all these European companies were defeated by British East India Company, and how this British East India Company established its rule in India. There were trade wars of European powers in India. First of all, India was having trade relations with Europe through Central Asia and Mediterranean. But this route for the Europeans was closed due to the rise of Turks and Islamic conquest of Constantinople in Mediterranean region. So these European countries started to find a new trade route to India. So, this direct sea route between Europe and India was first established when Vasco da Gama of Portugal reached Calicut on Malabar coast in 1498. Now, presently, it is the state of Kerala. Now, we'll study. So, you have come to know, students, that who was the first to find a new sea route to India? That was Vasco da Gama of Portuguese. Now, first of all, we'll study about Portuguese in India. As I have already told you, that Vasco da Gama was the first to find a sea route to India. He got a trading right from the local ruler of Calicut. Portuguese established their trade settlements in Calicut, Goa, Daman, and Diu. Now, when the other European companies saw the success of Portuguese traders in India, they also wanted to be part of this race. So, this way, one by one, they started coming to India to do trade and earn profit. The next who came to India to do trade were Dutch. Dutch East India Company